Greetings, Earthlings. Let's make my kidney healing tea. This is the blend that I use to literally heal my kidneys. The last time I went for a checkup, they told me my kidneys was operating at 105%. And these are the herbs that I used. I still drink it daily. We're going to start with 4 cups of water. And the first herb we're going in with is the licorice root. I like to use licorice root because it also benefits my adrenals. So this blend is about adrenal kidney health. Licorice root is great for uric acid, urea buildup, and it also balances out cortisol levels. If you have gout, look into this one. The next herb we're going in with is hydrangea root. Besides being a pretty flower, this root is quite amazing for the kidneys. It's great for kidney damage. It's an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It's great to eliminate kidney stones because it has calcium dissolving effects. The next one we're going in with is called blue vervain. Now this one is more so for the nervous system, but it also has a great effect and benefit for the kidneys, the adrenals, because it's an adaptogen. Kidney stone, it helps to eliminate kidney stones. It strengthens the kidneys. It helps to decrease and prevent UTIs. It's really great for the kidneys and the adrenals. So basically, after you put the root herbs in there, you bring it to a vigorous boil. You stir it around, you cover it up, and you reduce the heat until it's at a stage of a simmer. You allow it to simmer, set your timer so you don't forget like I have. Open the lid. Once it stops vigorously boiling, you may want to stir it again to get some of those herbs pushed back down in there. And you just allow it to simmer for no longer than 20 minutes. I usually go for about 17 minutes. Once it's done simmering, then you add the rest of your herbs that are not roots or barks. So I'm always focusing with this blend on kidney and adrenal health. And so the next herb that I go in with is dandelion. Dandelion is a powerhouse herb for the kidneys. It's great for elimination. That's why it's very popular and gets used during detoxes. It's full of vitamins and minerals. It's a great diuretic. So if you have an overabundance of liquid, get dandelion. And the next and the last one is stinging nettle leaf. Stinging nettle is high in calcium and vitamin C. It helps with people who are dealing with kidney disease. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's great all around herb for the kidneys due to its diuretic effects. It helps to produce more urine, which helps to release more toxins. And once that's all done, after the leaf has steeped for about 15 minutes, you just pour your tea in a cup, add some lime juice and your favorite sweetener. However, I don't use any sweetener, but this is the blend that I used, blue vervain, and we have dandelion leaf, and we have stinging nettle leaf, and we also have hydrangea root. That one was a shocker for me. I had to learn a lot about that one. And licorice root, which makes your tea taste pleasant. Get this blend, start drinking it. I drank 2 cups 2 times a day.